What's up mga suki? Panibagong araw, panibagong balita. Ito ay mainit-init pang balita dahil si Attorney Harold Respicio at iba pang mga politiko ay maghahain ng impeachment laban kay BBM. Yari na. I-watch na lang po natin mga suki at pakicomment po kung ano po yung masasabi nyo dito sa video ni Attorney Harold Respicio.
Yeah, buddy! Hala ka, BBM! Magpapile na kami ng impeachment laban sa'yo. Dito kami ngayon sa House of Representatives kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng Pilipinas. Kasama si Chavit, Mike Defensor, si Atty. Topacio, at papatanggal namin ng ulo ng korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. Panoorin nyo siya, andyan yung media at ngayon ay magpapile kami ng impeachment laban kay BBM. Yeah, buddy! Kasama yung media.
Yung complaint, complaint.
Ngayon ang complaint po. Mga complainants po.
We have former congressmen as complainants also. Tatlong po. Kaso po.
Bob, kasama kayo sa complainant?
Oo. Siyempre.
Alright, andito na kami sa loob ng Secretary General's Office ng House of Representatives. Sana tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil required siya ng rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang complaint for impeachment laban sa Presidente ng Pilipinas. Yeah, baby.
Yes,
Alright, ang ating
Kumpanyero
Head Counsel,
Tama.
Attorney Manny.
yeah.
At makita ninyo sa inyong harap si Mike Defensor, si dating Congressman Paras. Nasa ating likod si Atty. Topacio.
Dito rin si Cathy.
Cathy Binek, yeah, buddy. Alright. Alright, andito na tayo. Dapat nilang tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil required yan ng batas. Sana bumalik na si Secgen mula sa kanyang lunch. At kasama natin si Atty. Topacio dito sa likod yan ng ating tagapagtanggol.
Go, mauna ka, Go.
Ito si Cobb Chavit, yeah, buddy.
Dito yan sa loob, please. Panyero.
Ayun.
Itabi mo
Pina-file na
muna
natin
baka mabasa yung ating complaint.
dito sa Secretary General's Office ang impeachment
Dito pa yung complaint.
na magtatanggal ng ulo ng korupsyon sa Pilipinas. Kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng ating bansa si Chavit, dating congressman na Mr. Paras, Attorney Ferdy Topacio, mga bigating general, Mike Defensor, yeah, buddy. Alright.
Complaint. Ayan. Teaser, pasunod. Original.
At siguro naka oo nga.
Ano yung mga binili ko? Ay, yung mga binili ko yan.
And then, yung academics natin. And,
Hindi natin muna papapagis. Hindi mo natin papapagis. Ito muna ang hindi pag...
Yung ko na yung mga tao ron, puta nga, walang makita matira. Yung project.
Hindi, mas madami ka pang hawak. Marami. Hindi yung... Ito na yung mga copies. Ilang texto?
Go, ito yung ebidensya natin.
Kanina, naunang nag-file yung Makabayan Block ng kanilang impeachment complaint kaso nga lang hindi tinanggap dahil daw wala si Secgen dito. Pero sir, tapos na ang lunch break. Bumalik ka na dito at tanggapin mo na ang aming complaint. Hindi mo pwedeng tanggihan ng complaint namin dahil ministerial duty mo yan. Wala kang discretion na mag-decline na tumanggap ng aming complaint. At kung wala ka man dito sa office at hindi ka pa tapos mag-lunch, dapat meron kang tauhan na papalit sa'yo na tumanggap. Hindi pwede. Dinidiskartehan mo kami.
Anong Annex? Annex A muna. Teka.
General Garcia. One of the lead counsels, Attorney Manny Luna. One of the complainants, Kathy. All right.
Tawagan mo agad importante sa ano.
Annex A yung endorsement. Annex B is the
Complainants as well, ma'am. Complainant. Yep, one of the complainants. Yeah, buddy. All right.
sa plastic.
At ako niya tayo.
Di ba? So, Annex C.
Mukhang tatanggapin ng complaint natin, ha? Tatanggapin kayang complaint natin. Hindi katulad ng ginawa nila sa Makabayan Black kaninang umaga, na hindi nila tinanggap yung complaint dahil wala daw si Sec Jen. Tamang-tamang timing natin, sana tapos na ang kanyang lunch at tatanggapin na nila ang ating complaint. Hindi pwedeng hindi tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil kapag hindi tinanggap ngayong araw na ito, ang gagawin nila ay i-forestall nila ang complaint na to at pagbibigyan nila, palusultin nila yung walang kwentang complaint na ipinasa earlier. Sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi nila pwedeng sabihin na merong prior complaint na ipinasa na para tanggihan ng aming complaint dahil ang complaint ay initiated lamang kapag na-refer na sa committee ang complaint. Hindi pa na-refer sa committee. Magko-convene pa lang ang Congress, House of Representatives sa Monday. At pwede pa nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint. At dapat nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil kung hindi tinutupad ng Secretary General ang kanyang trabaho. Tulad ng hindi niya pagtupad kaninang umaga sa trabaho niya, sa pagtanggi ng pagtanggap niya ng complaint ng Makabayan Black. Yeah, buddy. Tingnan natin kung balik na from lunch si Secretary General. Alright.
Kahit pati assist.
Okay.
Yung copy, tanggalin ng copy, mabasa yung papel. It's dangerous.
Ito yung pinaka-substantive na complaint na ipinasa so far dahil ito ang pinaghirapan ng mga bigating mga legal minds and politicians sa Pilipinas. Hindi katulad ng mga complaint na unang ipinasa na 4 pages lamang at halata lamang na ginawa para i-forestall yung mga substantive complaint na katulad nito.
This is a 44-page complaint
Yeah, buddy.
with thousands of annexes.
Yep. Dahil kapag hindi nila pinalusot ito at ang pinalusot lang nila ay yung walang kwentang 4-page complaint, ibig sabihin, dinidiskartehan tayo ng mga loko-lokong ito.
In other words, alam na this.
Yeah. We have the best lawyers and best folks and politicians dito sa ating group. At hindi nila pwedeng tanggihan, katulad ng pagtanggi nila ng Makabayan Black complaints kaninang umaga. So, Secretary General, finish your lunch and come and receive our complaint. Please. Ministerial duty po yan. Hindi po yan discretionary. Required po yan sa rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang aming complaint.
Yes, sir.
On our side,
Hello everyone. Say hi sa ating 2,500 viewers live. Yeah, buddy! Alright. The historic complaint being filed dito sa Secretary General's office ng House of Representatives against sa ulo ng korupsyon ng Pilipinas.
Kasi dati, pag sa
Si Mikey.
di ba nung pandemic, di ba? Oo. Pinanulo na lagi sa walking kasi umiikot tayo.
Ang labor mo, labor.
Oo. Bilaan.
Ayun, wala na, organize this. Kasi di na.
Sir.
Dito ka.
Alright. Go ahead, boss.
Wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede.
Right.
This is a public office.
Yeah. I just have to be...
Sige, Tony. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about
not
the deputy?
Secretary General?
where's the deputy? Deputy Secgen.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully, Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi natin to.
Yes, yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not.
No, attorney, ano lang,
It's
kategor-
not an instruction. It is.
Yeah.
I am not
In a position to receive.
receive it.
But in the case of the impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeached, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in
complaint
line, the
in
next in line.
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I am not
Tama.
arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question.
Why do you say that? For the record.
Ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow. What's your...
Then, attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely.
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received.
Hindi, bakit na? What is the legal basis?
Wala
naman
dito
We're
legal
not
No,
arguing.
no, which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment
First impeachment file.
na nandun na sa office kay Attorney Jesus.
Ay, she was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
talaga, boss.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, we are both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority sa Office of the Section? Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my.
Yeah, hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Ang tanong lang, so number 1, you're not authorized. Number 2, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garfield. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office,
Yeah.
not the person.
Yeah, buddy.
So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may
Instructions.
instruction?
No.
So, ano bang basis
Hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano bang basis mo kanya? What is your basis? You tell us your basis.
Pero sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
wait, number 1, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry, if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
Just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we demand answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We are paying your salary. So you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tender it
Tender.
to you.
We are properring and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka.
Let me say, today is 2:18
Okay, si attorney-
in the afternoon
si attorney
of the
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka.
Ako muna tayo.
Alright. Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Yeah.
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It
curious.
is a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay, sandali So sinasabi na ni attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, attorney? No. Wala. Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir.
Pakalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
You are a public, you are a public official.
Okay, one by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi
Pero
pwede.
wala sa amin yung batas. This is a public office.
Public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
have not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, Attorney Perry Topacio will tender the complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint
Oo.
in accordance with the Constitution.
I note,
Okay.
I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Yes.
Para at least
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering our
Attorney,
Okay.
just to be to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may maganito lang motions. You understand na? So, thank you.
Wala pong sama ng loob. If that is what I understand.
So,
we
in
thank-
fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
Para
verify.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an
Tender.
We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
are here
To tender.
To tender. I refuse.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose.
Attorney,
Di ba
pasensya
office, kapanyero, di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, buddy.
Ako, hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Chelo. Tanungin mo ko
We
sa
will wait
Out of the country.
until
Then,
Anyway, thank you for that. Ha? Alam mo naman na,
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the
Saan ang
record.
SecGen? Sandali. Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you are
command?
second
Ikaw.
in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nagkano na naman, pumuntang Taiwan.
Kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay.
Second.
We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. We have already given it. Si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito sino gusto yung attorney, ha?
Ano,
Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Carlos. Kumusta kayo to? Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Jimenez Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Cathy Dina. And former Congressman Jim
no
Para.
introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna.
I'm the
Attorney
first
General
complainant, former
Garcia.
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
Commission.
And, sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio. Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.
Hindi kaya nga, hindi.
For the record.
For the record. Because, hindi, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the One China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the One China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand.
So ano na ngayon?
I'll see you. You don't walk na rin.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari?
Yun nga. Anyway, binigay naman ni attorney yung...
Enter naman tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, Manong, let's go.
Iwan mo natin yan.
Bigyan na lang namin sa kanya.
Ay, Kong.
That's
No personal. Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Again, I am not consented to be on court.
Alright. Alright. Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, itong opisinang to kasi hindi naman tao eh, but na office. Sa saligang batas, kailangan niya tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang gawin na ako ng impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan.
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
Yes.
Any statement, sir?
Well, I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo.
Congressman Paras, ano po statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the One China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's work, she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.
Alright, we're just exiting the office of the Secretary General and heading sa ating media para sa ating press group. Everybody. Forward, you can see former Secretary Defensor and Governor Chavit heading towards the exits. Having tendered the complaint dito sa office of the Secretary General na tumanggi, natanggapin ng complaint laban kay BBM impeachment. Yeah, buddy. Well, dapat required yung deputy na tumanggap kung absent yung Secretary General, right? Dahil paraan nila yan para mapalusot yung 4 pages na walang kwenta na na-file nung Monday. Para pigilan ang substantive na complaint na ipa-file laban kay BBM.
May table na lang, sir. Kailangan siya sa may table. May table na lang.
Yeah, buddy.
May mga lima. Attorney.
Yes, boss.
At ang meron po yung press conference kasama nga po doon sa mga
Kasama ko sa complainant pero sila ang lead. Taga-cover ako ngayon.
diba? Chavit Sensors. Ayan po ay dati po
Governor Chavit, ano yung masasabi mo sa nangyari kanina sa loob? Magkakasama tayo doon. Ano masasabi natin sa 5K followers natin? Live.
Ano naman din dyan nangyari sa loob? Basta ako, bagong dating lang, galing ako sa Ilocos Norte, position ni President Marcos. Walang matinong na project, puro ghost project, at puro siya nagsabi, maya kayo, puro pampak at guni-guni.
Tama siya, sa Ilocos Norte. Wala akong makita. Kagaling ko lang doon. Puro palpak at those projects. Nasa Ilocos Norte, wala probinsya niya. Distrito ni Sandro. Saka si Barba. Wala akong makita. Kagaling ko lang doon.
So, let's go. Ito po ba yung
Maliwanag na naluloko na tayo. Yun ang maliwanag na maliwanag. Hindi na physical. Siya nagsabi palpak. Siya nagsabi he built 5,000 or 5,500 flood control project. Wala. Mag-isang probinsya. So, maliwanag ang presidente.
Yung lagi, sinala yung lagi. Lagi.
Picture.
O yung una mo, tinanggap, tapos anong nangyari?
So,
Sino unang magsasalita muna? Wait lang sir, wait lang po. Guys.
so kaninang umaga,
Mga mic lang sir, wait lang sir. Mic, defensor. Mic. Kalipat, yan.
Mike, pa-explain din ng ribbon. Impeach.
nakuha niya ito nito pa.
Boy, paliwanag muna natin yung pag-file at ba, ano nangyari?
Kaninang umaga, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ng mga kasama sa Makabayan Block na banggit na sa amin na opisyal na hindi tinanggap yung kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaya kami may prepared statement na kami tungkol dito sa ginawa dahil na-anticipate na namin na talaga magkakaproblema sa mismo pag-file namin. At katulad nga na nangyari, at na-anticipate namin, gano'n nga. So if I will be allowed to read the statement, to be clear, tas distribute na lang siguro. The refusal of the Office of the Secretary General of the House of Representatives to accept the impeachment complaint is a clear violation of both the rules of the House and the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Under the Constitution, the House of Representatives has the sole power to initiate impeachment proceedings. The rules of the House explicitly provide a ministerial duty for the Office of the Secretary General to receive and record impeachment complaints that are duly filed. There is no discretion given to the Secretary General to reject, screen, delay, or block such filings. By refusing to accept the complaint, the office effectively usurps the constitutional authority of the House itself and denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. If I may repeat that, by refusing, it denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. Impeachment is not a political favor. It is a constitutional right. It is the only formal process through which citizens, through their representatives, can seek accountability from the highest official of the land. To block this process is not merely procedural error. It is a constitutional violation, an obstruction of a lawful remedy, and a direct assault on the people's right to petition government for redress of grievances. The House of Representatives exists to serve the people, not to shield those in power from scrutiny. The rules are clear. The Constitution is clear. The duty is clear. And no office has the authority to silence the people's voice. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. If I may distribute this.
Sir, question.
Madagdag ko lang. Yung impeachment complaint is actually a people's complaint. Yun lang. So, hindi kailangan pigilan ang reklamo ng taong bayan. It's a people's complaint. It's a constitutional process na nasa constitution natin na pinoprovide para sa ating lahat.
So,
wala na akong idadagdag. Okay na yun.
anong masasabi niyo hindi tinanggap yung impeachment complaint? Hindi tinanggap.
Yun nga, sa hindi pagtanggap nila, it is not only a violation of the rules, but of course of the Constitution. At ang mas mahalaga, Ito lang kasi ang paraan ng taong bayan na magreklamo sa nakaupong Pangulo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa ombudsman. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa korte. Sa ginawa nilang to, pero tinatanggal nila yung karapatan ng taong bayan na magkaroon ng maayos, legal na pagreklamo doon sa nakikitang problema sa nakaupong presidente.
Mike, ginawa nyo rin ba yung ginawa ng Makabayan kanina na nag-iwan kayo ng kopya ng complaint sa Office of the SecGen?
Hindi.
Nag-iwan kami. Wait. Ako lang. Nag-iwan kami, pero hindi nila tinanggap. We attempted, and we have recorded every possible conversation we had with...
So as a copy of your complaint is not inside the Office of the SecGen?
Hindi nila tinanggap.
We will be discussing this at another time. Ang tingin namin, ang dapat natin pag-usapan ngayon, yung mismong, kasi yung sa maraming pagkakataon sa Korte Suprema, may decision na about impeachment complaints. In fact, the recent decision was on the Vice President. At mabigat itong hindi pagtanggap, hindi namin maintindihan kasi hindi naman si Secretary General Cheloy ang sinasabi ng Saligang Batas. Ang sinasabi ng Saligang Batas, yung opisina. Dapat i-receive nila yun.
Sir, but very briefly, betrayal of public trust po ba ito? Paglabag sa konstitusyon?
Marami.
Sino po complainant?
Our...
Sir, ibaba mo yan. Parang kakanta yan. Sino yung ano? Parang kakanta. Wait lang.
Kasi ako pause Our impeachment complaint encompasses almost all the ground except for treason and bribery, I guess. But culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, high crimes. These are all embodied in our complaint against Marcos Jr.
Ano yung complainant, sir? Ano yung offenses, sir? Offenses. Ano yung offenses?
Sa ngayon, we will call for a press conference tomorrow.
Press con kami para
i-discuss yung details, pero sa ngayon yun ang statement namin. Ang hindi
Endorser lang, sir. Endorser.
Pati endorser. Kasi may endorser kami nandito. Pero siyempre... Tatlo. Siyempre, nung nakita namin, nung na-report kami na Makabayan Black, and may mga kasama tayo sa Committee on Rules dun sa nangyari, medyo nagulat na kami. In fact, nakita nyo naman, mali-malita yung dala namin. Pero kung ganito yung mangyari, napakapangit naman. Hindi maganda. Sigurado kami, yung first impeachment complaint is a scam complaint. At yung Makabayan Black, genuine complaint yun. Sinusuportahan din namin yun. Yung complaint namin is a genuine complaint, full of evidences, dapat tinanggap ng Congress.
Sir, sorry, bakit ayaw bang i-divulge yung complainant?
Ayaw reading ako mag-conclude. Pero pag-isipan pa namin. Pero as of now, dapat it should have been accepted, period.
Sir, for the records, ilan ang...
No, they're not. No, they're not.
Sir, ilan ang complainants at sino-sino? For the record.
Can I read the complainants?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Lipat lang muna. Wait lang.
Dito na siya, parang hindi na lang isa.
Sa gitna na lang siya, Tony, sa gitna.
Attorney na lang pala lumipat. Para ano?
Yun.
Bribery,
High crimes, graft and corruption.
The complainant in this case entitled in the matter of the impeachment of Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Manuelito de los Reyes Luna, yours truly, Jacinto V. Paras, Ferdinand Estopacio, Michael T. Defensor, Harold Respicio, Mary Catherine Diaz Binag, and Virgilio R. Garcia.
Is it fair to call you supporters of the Vice President? Is it fair to call supporters of the Vice President?
We are not supporters of the President.
Of the Vice President.
Of the Vice President. We are not supporters of the President, but we respect the office of the Vice President because he's the elected official of the land, second highest official of the land. We are citizens of the Philippines and we are exercising our constitutional duty to file this impeachment to question the betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and graft and corruption and other high crimes of the incumbent President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Pero is it right to say na kayo po ay pro-Duterte group na nag-file?
Irrelevant yun eh. Because this is not ano.
Tatanungin kita, kuya. Saan ka? Pro-Philippines? Pro-people?
I'm just
Yeah, that's why I'm asking the same question. I'm asking.
Bukas na may press
Can I just answer that? This is a people's complaint. This is a people's complaint. Wala. This is a complaint of the people of the Republic of the Philippines.
Sir, bakit?
Excuse us. Sorry.
Andyan, ang liit.
Tomorrow we will have
meaning of the ribbon.
the ribbon. Sorry to pasok.
Sir, ribbon. The ribbon.
Impeach. Impeach.
Impeach.
Actually po, this is the same color of ribbon that we wore during... Sorry. Hindi ko
Kaya na lang, okay na, sir. Okay na lang.
Nakaupo na yun.
Hindi ba, hindi tayo picture yung mic kasi, sir. Okay, go ahead.
Actually, this is the same color of ribbon that we wore during the successful impeachment of then COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista Jr. Impeach to eh, impeach. Yun lang.
Sir, bakit bawal pa i-reveal kung sino yung endorsers, sir? Bakit bawal pa i-reveal kung sino yung endorsers?
Ayaw ba nila until received, syempre.
Sir, anong particular act? Dali, picture, hawakan yung mga complaint. Oo, sir, related ba sa budget? Related sa infra budget? Related ba sa infra budget? Sir, pwede bang sa complainants nila?
We would also like to thank Manong Chavit Singson for the moral support.
Moral support lang?
Complainant also. Hindi, syempre, moral support din.
Complainant ba si Go?
Go, complainant si Go.
Wala kasi siya, sir, dun sa listahan.
Nandyan, dun sa,
Mare,
Sir, wala siya sa
Governor is part of the
listahan.
impeachment of the complainant. Attorney Respicio.
Alright. Sir, is the complaint related to the infra budget?
All the budget. The entire budget. All the violations.
2023 ito.
Hindi, para lang, overview lang. Pakaganan yung complaint.
2023 GAA, 2024 GAA, and 2025 GAA. Included.
we don't know.
Paki-forward yung complaint. Attorney.
Secret.
Dapat sila, hinaharang sila eh.
Upon the request, we have to respect their wishes.
Thank you everyone. Salamat.
Paki-forward lang yung complaint. No, the complaint, iganon nyo, medyo malay. Yan. Hawak na kayo. Yan, padali. Yung complaint, pakimpleto lang po, Para
Lunch tomorrow, Max.
Ikaw na.
Press conference, Max Restaurant sa Circle.
Ano oras?
Anong gusto mo ng oras?
11.
Lunchtime.
Para umabot.
11 gusto nyo, 12 o'clock tayo.
Para umabot sa prime time, sir.
11 tayo.
Again, nag-office of the...
Sige, sabihan ko sila. Symbolically daw dito sa office, magtayo din tayo.
Oo, doon na lang. Sige, para mas...
Dito sa harapan ng office. Harapan ng office.
Okay. Sarap.
Ganyan.
Symbolically.
Sir, may I request? Sir, pa-picture naman ng copy. Attorney, pa-picture naman ng
Doon na.
Sa yung grounds.
Doon na.
Dito.
Napaka-pointless din eh. Dati! Dati! Oh, dito ka sa tayo.
Dito ka. Huwag mo lang munang microphone.
Tanong ko lang, kaya ba ayaw mong banggitin daw yung mga names ng mga mag-endorse? Kasi ayaw nila mag-endorse.
Sir, dito lang ha.
Ba't ayaw kong banggitin yung tatlo?
Si attorney hindi makita. Okay, ready. Alam mo lang, huwag mo nang microphone. Wala ba slogan? Slogan.
People's impeachment.
Ayan, yan, sige, go.
We are here for the people's impeachment
People's impeachment.
of Marcos.
Parang puro paus na kasama ko, no?
Ulit, sabay-sabay. This is a people's impeachment against Take three. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is a people's impeachment complaint against incumbent President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, and other high crimes.
Salamat po.
Okay, thank you.
Let's continue.
I agree. Kasi nung nag-gusto din ng Kabayan Black, sabi ko sa kanila, sabi ko, magpa-file kami, gusto niyo bang mag-endorse? Sabi, hindi, magpa-file na rin kami ng sarili. Sabi ko, okay lang. Sabi niya, sige, baka okay, consolidate. Kasi syempre, good faith lahat yung usapan.
Kanina lang yan, sir. Kanina lang.
Ay, hindi. Nung ano pa, nung nag-usap ko ng mga Kabayan Black, mga 4 days ago. Tapos kanina, nagulat ako, nagtawagan kami. Hindi in-accept yung kanila, hindi receive. Sabi ko, ha? Sabi niya, accept ko na nangyari. So they were, kinausap sila, katulad kami, kinausap din kami, that they were not authorized to receive.
Sir, also is, sir, pag na-transmit ko sa Walmart, mababar na po yung impeachment complaints. Hindi niyo ako mababar.
Yes, kasi, alam mo, technically, pagka nag-receive dito, at hindi na-transmit kagad yun, at dun sa hapon naman, they are able to put it in plenary and refer to the Committee on Justice under the Constitution, impeachment na yun. That is
Initiated na.
initiated ng impeachment.
And sir, yung kayo po ba yung sabi kanina na substantially weak po yung complaint, yung first complaint, at wala po kayong kinalaman at all with lawyer Andre De Jesus?
Nakita ko lang yung mga nilagay nilang complaints. Pero, wala akong nakita mga evidences on that, yung nga, substantially baka kulang. So, parang ang point ko, kung kunyari, normal na procedure ko, all the complaints within the 10 days, as mandated by the Constitution, should be accepted. And then, para yung Committee on Justice, if they want to consolidate, they want to take up another one, dismiss itong isa, di ba? But usually, like every other bill, if the bills are all about one subject, we consolidate it and we try to enhance the provisions. Ganun dapat ang gagawin. Kung talagang sincerong proseso yung ang gagawin.
Sir, anong dahilan bakit yung tatlo na supposedly endorser ninyo parang natatakot?
Hindi naman sila natatakot. Sinabi lang ni Jim Paras yung kanina na, of course, lahat na mag-endorse matatakot naman. Kahit naman sino lumaban sa presidente matatakot. Pero ang feeling namin kanina, kung hindi ito i-receive, walang point na gambalain namin kayo. Andito sila. Nandito sila sa Kongreso sa ngayon at naghihintay sila kung ano mangyayari. And like what we expected. In fact, Kabayan Black is waiting for our call. Sabi lang, pag i-receive kayo, sabihan nyo kami. Siguro pag i-receive kami, mahabol din sila.
Kung ano na lang ba yung composition ng endorsers? Majority, minority, ano?
From what I understand, mix na majority minority.
Sino po mas marami, sir?
Yun.
Ay, sir, kung determined po kayo na hinahin yung impeachment, hindi pa kayo babalik sa Marcos.
Walang point din. Ako personal ko. I cannot speak for the group. Kasi, ang nakalagay sa Constitution, the Office of the Secretary General. Ano ibig sabihin, kung bumiyahin siya, di ba? It's the office. In fact, it can just be received by any person.
Not a person.
By any person, and then i-return na agad kay Speaker. Ang sabi naman sa Constitution, under the Constitution, Speaker, within 10 days, dapat ibato niya sa plenaryo. Sa plenaryo naman, within 3 days, iba to sa Committee on Justice. So it's not the person. So for me, the fact na hindi in-accept, naman kung ba makaawa pa on Monday, maghintay dito eh. Diba? Even if they accept it on Monday, pag tinake up naman yung isa na, wala ka na din.
So, position mo, hindi na file? Ang position mo, hindi na file?
I think we have to study our other legal options.
Sir, kanina nabanggit sa young lawmakers, freshly term neophyte lawmakers po ba ito? Unang termino ba?
Oo, freshly term.
Yung tatlo, sir, mga fresh.
All three.
All three, sir, fresh.
Yung dalawa fresh, yung isa hindi na masyadong fresh.
Kayo na lang fresh. So, hindi na po kayo magpa-file sa Monday? Or ano kung mas tapos, iniwan yung complaint kasi
Walang iniwan. So basically, sir, but you tried?
Yung lawyers kanina, sabi ko, no point ako iiwan kung di parang wala din naman ibig sabihin.
Okay, sir.
So, ano po complaint?
Kasi lumalabas ngayon, sir, na ang position mo, pag nag-file, tayo na next Monday, ibig sabihin, wala tayong tatawagin ng third impeachment.
Hindi, basta ang position ko, we will use other options, legal options. We have other legal options.
Like what?
Well, if we go to the Supreme Court, that's one legal option. Pero para pumunta pa ako dito and, di ba, makasali pa ako dun sa moro-moro, hindi na, ba't ko pa gagawin yun?
Susunod din din.
Hindi na nga makalakad si Ferdinand Pacho at si Bob Chavez, tapos bababalikin pa rin ito.
For certain, hindi na kayo
Ako, hindi ako. Tingnan niyo si Ferdinand Pacho, nakaroon.
Kayo, sir, pero
Ang layo namin, pinagalingan namin, oh.
Pero sir, marami kayo doon sa group eh. Pero yun, isa ka lang.
Oo.
Hindi ka na magiging position. Supreme Court.
Ay, nila maniwala na napilay ka na nga na nahirapan ka maglakad.
there's no file.
Salamat ha.
Sir, ano nga ang grupo niyo before dito sa Congress?
Kami? Spice Boys.
Spice Boys.
Basta ka tayo magkasama kami dito sa basketball midgets.
Sorry. Last clarification.
Pero for the record, siya yung pinakamukhang bata sa dating Spice Boys.
Kasi walang
Si Migs.
There was never a first impeachment complaint. Because under the Constitution, the first session day is Monday. Hindi na definition ng Constitution. There was no first, second, or third
Spicy
complaint.
pa rin.
Your complaint na lang, sir. Hindi nyo na po ipafile sa...
Hindi na. Ako yun.
So wala na, withdraw na po.
Kasi tinitechnical kami sa first, di ba sila first ha? Nauna lang sila. But the first complaint should have been the three complaints. Makabayan Blacks complaint, our complaint, and yung unang scam complaint.
Sir, for the record, hindi nyo na ipasa.
Ha? Ito lahat yung complaint. Oo. Actually si Gov Chavez dun sa official namin, hindi pa siya nakapasok eh. Ngayon lang siya nakapasok eh. Actually kasama naman natin siya, hindi lang siya nakapirma no?
I-amend nyo pa ba yun, sir? I-amend nyo pa yung page 1 nyo. Kasi wala siya dun sa listahan.
Oo, kasi may mga dagdag pa kami kasama eh.
Kailan pa ipapile?
Babalik dito? Hindi na.
Paano sir, yung document? Meron kayo
What I'm saying is, as a complainant kasi, if we go to the Supreme Court, we have every right as a complainant here to be part of that. Kung gano'n ang option, hindi pa ako ayaw. Kasi pumunta kami dito eh. So we filed here. And as a private citizen, we can go to the Supreme Court and complain. So you're going to do that. Kasi di ba kanina sinasabi na first complaint lang yung Jesus? Hindi. Yung tatlong complaints na yun are technically all first complaints because the first session day of the Constitution, of the rules of the House will be Monday. Tatlo kami. So technically, sabay-sabay kami pumasok on the first session day of Congress.
Clarification na po sa complainant sasama si Gov. Dixon. Ibig sabihin, saan dadalhin yan?
Sir, you mean, sir, ba yung when you file a petition challenge sa Supreme Court challenging yung pag-block, it will include the former government? Is that what you mean, sir?
Yeah, kasi sinabi yung as part of the ano, di ba? Is here. Pero pinupoint out ko lang, it's a legal option. I still have to talk with the lawyers Attorney Topacio is here, one of them. So pag-usapan pa namin kung anong gagawin.
Parang sayang naman sir kung hindi kayo magpa-file.
Ha?
Kung parang sayang naman sir.
Hirap na nga si Bob Chavez si Attorney Topacio maglakad, tapos baka hindi rin pag tinanggap sa Monday, iba rin yung ita-take up.
Sir, pero bakit po kayo?
Can you imagine? Again, ang Constitution sinabi niya, Secretary General's Office. Walang sinabing Cheloy Garafil, walang sinabing Reggie Velasco, walang sinabing tao. Dapat tinanggap nila yon at i-refer kay Speaker. Walang discretion.
Ayan po, pakicomment na lang po kung ano po masasabi nyo mga suki. Patay na. Ito na nga sinasabi ko. Sige mga suki, kayo na pong bahala kung ano po yung masasabi nyo dito sa video ito ni Attorney Harold Respicio.